Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing an eye tutorial with this look right here. It is a quick and easy eye tutorial. Hopefully just takes a couple steps. The palette that I use today is the Dominique Lemonade palette. Dominique is a fellow YouTuber. She opened up her own cosmetic line, and this is the palette briefly. I will not be talking about my thoughts on this palette. I would just be showing you a tutorial. You can see this palette is absolutely fun and beautiful. So if you guys want to learn how to create this look here, please keep on watching. Also, if you like videos like this, subscribe and hit a thumbs up. Thank you guys. To start off the look, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Mango and put that all over the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Sweet Tea and put that right below that yellow color, right into the crease. I'm going to go back into the shade Mango and put that right above that color again, just so you can see a little bit of a pop to it. Now I'm taking that purplish brownish color called Chai Tea and putting it in my outer corner and my inner corner, creating a halo look. I'm taking a little bit of Sweet Tea back on that brush and blending all of that together again. For the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Blueberry Fizz, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right in that blank area between the halo look that I created. Now I start having issues with the brush, so I go ahead and finish this look off with my fingers. I dip back into the shade Chai Tea and I go ahead and blend the entire look together. With that same shade, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my lower lash line. Now for eyelashes, I go ahead and curl my lashes with my tweezer lash curlers, and I take the mascara, the False Lashes Mascara by Essence. For lips today, I'm going to go ahead and take the L'Oreal collaboration with Pirates of the Caribbean lipstick and lip gloss in the shade Sparrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good weekend. Thank you.